Hi there, we're still on the Radium brand, and this is another lamp that my friend gave to me a couple of weeks ago. It's very similar to the one we've just had a little look at, but there is a couple of subtle differences. Anyhow, let's start off with the etch. Not quite as clear as the other one, but not to worry. If it doesn't come out, I can read out what it says. Not that clear, is it? Don't worry, let's read it out. It's Radium, made in Germany. The voltage is 125 to 130, which is exactly the same as the other one. And it's 300 watts, which is also exactly the same as the other one. I can't see any coding or anything on there. Or can I? No, made in Germany. No. So there's no code on it. But not to worry. This is the actual lamp itself. As you see, it is slightly different to the other one. This has got horseshoe wreath type filament, and the supports tend to go upwards, which the first time I ever saw this type of filament arrangement was when I was a kid in America, and I must have been probably 9 or 10. I was pretty young at the time, might have even been younger. And that's one thing I did notice on the American lamps. The filament was held exactly the same as this one, with the support wires angled upwards. At that time over here, they were on like the same plane as the filament. Anyhow, you see it's 5 supports, the same as the other lamp that I showed you. What is different here, the other lamp, the filament was actually clamped. This one looks like it's spot welded. You look careful in there. It's definitely a spot weld to attach the filament to the feed wires in. Normally it would have been, the feed wires would have been flattened and folded over, and the filament would be trapped under the fold overs. A bit of pressure would have been applied. But this case, no, it's spot welded. Also, the studs obviously glass, same reason the last one. No point having it metal, it would short out and blow the filament. But anyhow, that was also on a wire, stiff wire down to the pinch. And in this case, it's 2 wires where they have been joined together and probably welded. You see the join there. Same arrangement with the heat deflector, made of metal as opposed to mica. It's held in the same place, right on the actual pinch itself. And once again, no fuses, possibly because it's 150 volt lamp. No need to worry about arcing, and that's the idea. You know, we've got a number on there as well. Looks like 462. Don't ask me what that number refers to, whether it was a batch number or what, don't know. Anyhow, the base is, I think they call this an E40, which is the GES, Goliath Edison screw, or Mogul if you're in America. The centre connector is not a blob of solder in this case. It looks like it's made of brass, the same metal as the base or the cap. I won't be showing this one a light because I haven't wired up my holder yet, that also came from my dear friend when he came over. I must get it wired up and put on that board with the other holders. But so Alec brought it over, and I think he actually brought it over with this lamp in it at the time. Yeah, it was either that lamp in it or that mixed mercury vapour one. But anyhow, I'm very grateful he has brought it over, and I will get it wired up. Anyhow, that's about all I've got to say on this lamp. Any comments please make. I think I've pointed out the salient points. I'll give you the size of this as well. I'm pretty sure it's the same size as the other one. Length in inches, if I can work it out. Yeah, it's just over 9 inches in length. 9 inches. And crosswise, I think it was the same as well. Approximately 4 inches across. So yeah, it's the same size as that last lamp. Some subtle differences, obviously the different size base or cap, and the filament arrangement is a horseshoe wreath, not a zigzag type filament. So once again, thanks for watching. Any questions please ask. If I don't know the answer, my mate probably will. And all in all, quite a good quality lamp from Germany by Radium. Anyhow, thanks again for watching. Any comments, please make. Any questions, please make. And I'll get back to you. If I don't know the answer, as I said, Alec probably will. So, anyhow, thanks again. Thank you.